everybody, welcome to EBUS Week Test today. So tell me, what's your name?
My name is Tony.
What is your favorite wild animal?
My favorite wild animal is lion.
So what should you do when you have a cold?
I should get some medicine and take a rest.
So look at the two different pictures here and tell me the differences between A and B.
In the picture, the victor has a plane, but in the picture B, the victor has a bird. In the picture A, the dog is sitting on the grass, but in the picture B, the cat is sitting on the grass. In the picture A, there are two big trees, but in the picture B, there are one tree is small and one tree is big.
Okay, you did great. So let's move on to part 2, which is odd one out, and let's find a different thing in the row.
Tree is different because parrot, chicken, and duck are animals. Chair is different because pencil case, pen, and crayon are school things.
Okay, you did great. So let's move on to part 3, which is independent thought. So let's talk about animals on the separate.
I can see ostrich, rabbit, monkey, and parrot on the safari.
So what's your favorite wild animal?
My favorite wild animal is lion.
So which animal moves more slowly?
Cheetah move more slowly. Turtle move more slowly. Cheetah move more quickly. Buffalo move more silently. And parrot move more noisily.
Really? Okay. You did a great job. Look at the camera and say goodbye. That is the end of our speaking set today.